everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm putting together a round hand-tied bouquet. I'm going to use both silk flowers along with some wooden dried flowers. But I'm going to make a 3-loop bow here. I'm going to end up doing 4 little bundles, and I'm going to use them as the collar of my bouquet. So this will hide the mechanics. It will also give a touch of color and a little bit of softness too to the bouquet. So I just love double-faced satin ribbon. It has such a nice look and feel to it. So this is an 1.5" satin ribbon, and it is not wired. So in order to keep those loops nice and showy and loopy, you really have to pinch that center point nice and tight. And since it is double-faced, you can twist and turn it and just make it as tight as you can. I would use a longer wire than what you had seen me use there. I had like maybe about a 6-inch wire maybe. I would definitely do a 12-inch wire because that was too short and it gave me issues at the end. But I would even go as far as once you tighten the wire around the ribbon, maybe taking some pliers and make it even tighter. And that just gives it a nice, like I said, pinch point to where those loops stay big and loopy, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble my flowers here. I am tucking in those white wooden roses in there just because I love the texture it gives this bouquet. It's a very soft palette, and the colors kind of blend into each other, kind of a repetition of the same shape. And by adding those wooden flowers, it gives a different texture and a little bit more interest to your bouquet, kind of like a baby's breath, like if you were to tuck baby's breath in there, and it gives that just different look and feel to the bouquet to break it up. I did add a little bit of greenery to the outside, and like I said, these ribbons were actually giving me issues, so I'm going to skip ahead a little bit here. But first I'm going to tie it off with a chenille stem, and again, I wouldn't be afraid to take some pliers after you tighten the chenille stem around it and make it even tighter. Sometimes it seems like it's holding well, but the bouquet will shift in your hand too. So giving it that extra little twist really does help hold everything nice and tight and in place. And there you go. Made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching.